Amazon seller app. Listing books needs more time to list them? No. They're already all listed for you, buddy. You just have to scan them in, ship them off, and make sure you have the best price. Selling a bigger quantity of popular products will be much faster to list. All the products, again, for the most part, are all on there, especially if you're just scanning and selling. You're scanning products, they should be on there already. And they should have some sort of rank, they should have some sort of price, they should have some sort of reviews, rating of the product. All that information is on there. You should know what you can buy it for, and then you could see exactly what you can resell it for. I'll link a couple videos that you should watch, Anderson, that will show you how to scan. Like you could find them too if you go into my YouTube video history on videos that where I scan products in stores, and then you kind of see what pops up on the app. It's easy to do. It's so easy. It's literally point and click, wait 3 seconds, and then it shows you a page that shows you how much it's selling for, how much the fees are, merchant if you want to ship it, or if you want to go through Amazon, which if you're going to sell on Amazon, let me just give you a couple things to research right now. Research FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. You want to be an FBA seller, not an FBM seller right away. Start as an FBA seller. Ultimately, at the end of the day, I'll never switch to an FBM seller. It's too much work. I don't want to work that amount of time. Wholesalers generally go FBM. Private label, retail arbitrage generally go FBA. Okay, fulfillment by Amazon is where you take all your products, you send it to Amazon, and you let Amazon, or you're essentially hiring Amazon to do the work for you. So you're leveraging their staff, leveraging their warehouse space, leveraging their office supplies like their boxes and their packaging paper and bubble wrap and all that goodness, and their stickers and their labels, and then you're utilizing UPS. But you're shipping all your products to Amazon, then Amazon take care of payment collection, paying you, obviously take payment from the customer and all that type of stuff. It's just all inclusive in a $5, $8, whatever, a $7 fee. It's all inclusive in there, all that stuff. And the manpower. You just have to do the essentially buying of the products, buying of the inventory. So you're literally the inventory buyer.